Hey there, I just made a quick video on how you can access Google Classroom for LJ. He's going to go to the Chrome symbol application. It might not be on the bottom, it might be somewhere on his desktop somewhere. Just looks like that. You're in Google, you're going to go to the waffle over here, and I'll send you the sign-in information. You go down to the classroom. You'll only have one class on yours, probably. Yeah, I'm for sure. You'll only have Mrs. Gunter's class. And then you can either go in the stream or in classwork to find it. The stream is like chronological, it's in date order. So if you can't find something, you can always go into classwork. Here pops up Wednesday's assignments from yesterday. April 14th is further down. And then the 13th is below it. So, oops. If you go to classwork, it's also posted here. So Monday the 13th, 14th, and then today the 15th. When you open it up, he just clicks on the assignment, and all the links in here should work for him. The spelling is up here. He can click on this for the read aloud. He can just click on those links and follow the directions all in order. Reading, writing, and math are required, and science and social studies, anything below that is optional. So just wanted to let you know. Just keep his stuff in a folder or in his journal for evidence that he's completed the work for the district. And then if you'd rather take pictures and send them to me, you can do that too. I can give you my cell phone number if you just want to text me the pictures as we go along. It's up to you. But I just wanted to show you how he can get into that all by himself. So again, Chrome, Waffle, Classroom, and then Mrs. Gunter's class. He can go into classwork if he wants. There's the assignment for Wednesday. All right, it'll be there tonight for Thursday for tomorrow also. All right, I will get you a Google Meet directions too.